This tapping is all about self-soothing ourselves when our partner or specific person is avoidant. I know the feeling. It feels so ungrounding, and it feels like you've been shut out, abandoned, and rejected. But the truth is, we are responsible for our own energies and emotions. So let's get ourselves back into feeling good and secure within ourselves. If you need support, you know where to find me. Please join Healing Heartbreak at the link at the top of my page. You can release sadness, grief, and basically every emotion that comes with heartbreak, and you can go from heartbreak to magnetic in just 30 days. I promise you it has worked for me and worked for hundreds of people who have tried this. All right, whenever you're ready, let's start the tapping. I'm feeling so anxious. My partner is avoidant. They're shutting me out. It's making me feel rejected and abandoned. I just want to control their emotions. Control how they treat me. I want to fix their emotions. It's so hard to let go of control. I feel responsible for their feelings. It makes me feel so uneasy. I accept all this anxiety right now. I accept my need to control. It's so hard to feel safe when my partner is avoidant. I choose to release all this anxiety now. And I'm open to feeling safe within myself. I let go of the need to control my partner's emotions. I'm not responsible for their feelings. There's nothing I need to fix in this moment. All I need to do is feel safe within myself. Because everything is energy. And as within, so without. The more I feel secure within myself, the more secure my relationship will be. I'm choosing to feel safe within my body now. Choosing to ground in my energy. It's safe to be with my feelings right now. I'm safe and secure. I'm grounded and centered. I'm safe and protected. I feel safe within my own body. I'm calm and balanced. I'm completely at peace within myself. I trust my partner's journey. I trust their ability to self-soothe their emotions. I embrace my own emotions. And I give them permission to embrace theirs. I don't need to control their emotions. They know exactly what to do to feel centered within themselves. So I choose to do the same. I embrace my own emotional safety. Everything is okay, and all is well.